Welcome, guys. Both Republic here, bringing you a very special item, an educational tool. It's a toy for your kids, and what a time it is coming. Considering that we are in the holidays, you can always gift your kid or even your small brothers and sisters out there with a special toy. Instead of buying them those complete cars and toys, give them something that they can construct. That is a booklet with examples, and we're going to develop one, and you'll see it at the very end. But that's a motor to make things interesting, moving. Let's open it, and it's a rechargeable motor. It has a battery inside, so no buying batteries. Nice item. I think you will see a demo at the very end. That's why you charge the on and off. That small gray spot is where you put uh, your axle. That's the charging port. You can always use your phone adapter or your laptop to charge. Maximum of 5 volts. That one has no worries. This is a bed, 2 pieces. You construct on top of this one. And normally you just let's open this one. You normally just help your kids do this the first days, and they will catch up. So many pieces, Let's see. One package, it comes with 2 packages and a nice box for storage and for having those items inside there so that your kid can retrieve them without actually pouring them or spreading them in the house. Rubber band for creating those movable parts. Those are not the normal ones, normal rubber bands. They are a bit heavy and strong. That's a tractor's, what do you call it? Is it a hand or something? A tire there. And then you fix the middle part. It's a yellow thingy. That one, you push it in, and there are those things that you put. I don't know what they are called, but they're like picks. You put them inside the tire so that uh, very interesting kit. Kindly buy these things for your kids. Don't buy them the normal toys, complete toys. You just play with them. They're not exercising. They're not growing. You need those muscles to develop as early as possible. There goes the sticks. These ones you fix them inside the tires. You can always fix them in those brick. So many you can use that as a tire. So many things. Very, very interesting things you can do with this kit. And it's not that expensive. It's very affordable. Though I won't give you the price there until you're interested. And you can inbox me. You can always. My number is there. You can always text me, WhatsApp me, whichever means you choose. That's a human figure, just to make things interesting. That's a movable for the tractor. Interesting stuff. Everything there. Remember the box comes with it. Fantastic tip. I can tell you for sure from both Republic. Let's see the example. These are Lego block, as you can see behind there. That's one of the projects I decided I just make it so that I can show you how exciting these things can be to your children and to your kids out there. Yes, let's turn it on. And see. Would you look at that? I'm very sure if you were to construct this with your kids and they see it, they'll be very excited. You can always rotate the other way around. Fantastic. What else? And there it goes in the page where it's in the page, almost at the back. electric rotating seat. Thank you. My number is there. Call me, text me, WhatsApp me, inbox me. Yes, God bless you.